Hi everyone, it's Mary, a traditional Chinese medicine tutor and an acupuncturist in Canada. In today's video, we're going to discuss an ancient philosophy of Qi Monism and its influence on traditional Chinese medicine. Why do we have to know Qi Monism to really understand the traditional Chinese medicine concepts? In the study and practice of traditional Chinese medicine, we run into different kinds of qi, such as yin qi, yang qi, Zang-organs qi, kidney qi, meridian qi, defensive qi, nutritive qi. All those qi stems from one philosophy, which is Qi Monism.
Everything in the universe, visible or invisible, is made of qi. Thus, the human physical body and life activities, Zang-fu organs and their functions, essence, blood and body fluids like tears, sweat, urines, etc., are all made of qi. The qi is in constant movement and transformation. So we can understand that the sweat and tears transform from the blood, just like the ice. Liquid water and evaporated water are the same matter in different states. The qi is the combination of substance and function. TCM does not study dead stuff, but living humans, as a live human has functions and life activities. That explains why TCM does not rely on X-ray, MRI, as those modern technologies only see physical substances but not their functions. Qi Monism is the starting point for understanding the Yin-Yang and 5-element theories.
There are three ancient philosophies long existed before the formation of traditional Chinese medicine. The three philosophies are the theory of Qi Monism, the theory of Yin-Yang, the theory of the 5-element system. When we think the whole world is made of one, it's made of Qi. When you think the whole universe is made of two, it's made of Yin and Yang. If you think the whole universe is made of 5, it's made by the 5 elements, which are the wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. So here we can see that Qi Monism is the base for us to understanding the Qi, Yin-Yang, and the 5 elements as they are interconnected. Traditional Chinese medicine uses the three ancient philosophies to build the foundation of traditional Chinese medicine and also use these three philosophies, Qi, Yin-Yang, and 5 elements to guide the practice.
Hi, Mary. You said that everything in the universe is made of one element, Qi. Then, you said that everything is made of 2 elements, Yin Qi and Yang Qi. Then, you said that it's made of 5 elements, wood Qi, fire Qi, earth Qi, metal Qi, and water Qi. How many elements exactly is the world made of?
Yes, this is a good question. This is exactly the interesting but challenging part about the traditional Chinese medicine. The universe is one, the human itself is one. They all have their own internal systems and boundaries and interact with their external environment. However, when you look at them from different angles, you see different images, right? Context and the point of reference can change how we see things. Just like me, as an independent person, who am I? A TCM tutor, a mother, a daughter, a wife, a friend, a team player, a citizen? I'm all, right? It's depending on who is looking at me.
The main content of Qi Monism.
Let's talk the main content of Qi Monism. As we know, Qi Monism is a philosophy, is an abstract understanding towards the world, and it tells about the material origin of the nature. Qi Monism holds that the entire world is made of one material, which is Qi. Qi constitutes everything in the universe. Qi is the most basic material in the world. All the things in the universe, whether visible or invisible, whether big or small, are all made of Qi, including human life and human activities like thinking, ideas, etc. The Qi can be further divided into two opposite parts, which is Yin and Yang. This is the base for constituting the Yin-Yang theory. The Yin-Yang theory is further developed from the Qi Monism theory. If we see the world is made of one, it's made of Qi, right? If we see the world is made of two, it is made of the Yin and Yang. But the Yin-Yang is the two opposite aspects of the Qi. Yin here is short for Yin Qi, and Yang is short for Yang Qi. Yang Qi represents the aspect of being active, restlessness, movement, heat, and the going upward aspect of things. And Yin Qi stands for the characteristics of being tranquility, still, cold, and downward moving aspect of things. So everything has a yin and yang aspect, just like a coin has two opposite sides. Qi Monism holds that Qi constantly in change and in movement. It is the Qi movement and the Qi transformation produces all the things in the universe. As we know, inside Qi there is two aspects, yin and yang. The interaction of yin and yang is the root of the Qi movement and Qi transformation. Take the water cycle as an example of Qi transformation. Our common sense tells us that ice, water, evaporated water, clouds, and rain are the same matter but exist in different forms. This is the result of Qi transformation. Our human body works the same. Under the Zang-fu organs Qi transformation function, the essence, blood, and the body fluid share the same source, but are present as different body substances. We'll discuss Qi transformation in a separate video. The definition of Zang-fu visceral organs in Western medicine and in traditional Chinese medicine are quite different. Western medicine believes what human eyes can see, so the organs are the physical organ. But in traditional Chinese medicine, as we believe everything are made of Qi, and Qi is the unity of function and substance. So the Zang-fu organs in traditional Chinese medicine are mainly defined by the function, not just by the physical organs. We focus more on what the organs can do for the body. So we focus more on the function part of the Zang-fu organs. For example, in Western medicine, spleen is just a small organ in the body. The function is not much. But in traditional Chinese medicine, spleen plays a vital role in human life. Spleen is considered to be the source of producing qi and blood and is the foundation of post-heaven.
Application of Qi Monism in TCM.
As the formation and the development of traditional Chinese medicine is guided by the philosophy of Qi Monism, so the view of traditional medicine on nature, on medicine, on life, on health, on disease, on prevention and treatment of diseases, all reflects the view of Qi Monism. View on nature reflects people's general outlook on nature. The nature are made of three parts: heaven, earth, and human. As all of the three are made of qi, so using qi as an intermediary, the three parts are connected. They share the same origin and the source. which makes them an integrated one. Based on Qi Monism, everything in the universe is made of Qi, and Qi is the unity of substance and function. This logic applies to TCM, so we think our human body is made of Qi as well, and our human body has two aspects, substance and function. The substance is our body itself, and the function refers to the sun, to the life activity and the physiological function. Without body, the sun, the spirit, cannot exist. When the body dies, the spirit will disappear following the death of the body. What is life? Traditional Chinese medicine thinks life or life activity is actually the Qi movement. The Qi movement is the comprehensive performance of our Zang-fu organs and the meridians working together. What is considered to be healthy? For a healthy state, Qi has to be in harmony and can have a free flow. According to Huangdi's inner classic, all disease begin with Qi. The 5 Zang organs and the 6 Fu organs depend on the Qi to perform their functions properly. Etiology refers to the cause of a disease. There is a constant battle between healthy Qi and evil Qi, or we call it pathogenic Qi. When healthy Qi wins, we stay healthy. But when the pathogenic Qi dominates, a disease will occur. Pathogenesis refers to a mechanism of how a etiology leads to a disease. Traditional Chinese medicine holds that where there is a disorder of Qi, where there is a disease. The Qi disorder can be manifested as a Qi deficiency, Qi stagnation, Qi block, Qi sink, Qi collapse, etc. Traditional Chinese medicine diagnosis is based on syndrome differentiation by examining the clinical manifestations. When there is a disorder in the internal Zang-fu organs or in meridians, there will be dysfunctions of the related Zang-fu organs, which will be shown from the outside. For treating disease, adjust Qi is the key. We know Qi is the foundation of human life, and all disease begin with Qi. If the Qi is in disorder, the most important thing for treating this disease is to adjust the Qi to resume the harmony of the Qi. Qi Monism believes that humans and their environments are integrated. Humans live between heaven and the earth. Based on the general concept of the correspondence between the human, heaven, and the earth, traditional Chinese medicine emphasizes that treatment should focus on overall adjustment according to time, such as seasons, day or night, geographical place, and the people's unique conditions. The prevention of disease and the maintenance of health is based on Qi. Essence, Qi, and Sen are the 3 treasures of the human body. Human needs to accumulate Qi to form essence, and accumulate essence to foster spirit. This way of transformation and change is based on Qi. Therefore, we need to preserve the primordial Qi and regulate the Qi movement to keep the free flow of Qi without Qi being depressed. Qi Monism explains why traditional Chinese medicine advocates that humans should keep a good lifestyle, follow the 4 seasons, be in harmony with their emotions, have moderate eating, and have balanced work and rest to promote human health and longevity.
Mary makes two types of videos. The long videos are for online TCM courses, and the short videos are for verification of TCM terms and concepts.
If you found this video useful, please give me a like, subscribe it, and share it with others. See you in my next video. All the best.